to Nico A. Brillantes, Active Assistant School Division Superintendent, OIC Office of the Schools Division Superintendent, Ma'am Lorma I. Pakulan, EMD CESO 6, Respected Public School District Supervisor, Ma'am Araceli C. Tombok, Supportive Principal, Sir Alfred C. Descaliar, School Head of JP Elementary School, Mrs. Maria Eileen C. Ritina, Principal of Shocon National Science High School, Sir Lester M. Bercasio, General PTA President, Dean Visitacion, beloved teachers, dear parents, fellow graduates, and guests, good day to all. Today is a special day for all of us. It's the day we celebrate how far we've come, how much we've learned, and the new chapter that lies ahead. As I stand here before you, I am filled with gratitude and pride, not just for what we have accomplished, but also for the personal journey that has led me to this moment. I feel grateful and proud, not only for myself, but for all of us who are graduating today. I have been given the privilege of being part of this wonderful class. As a diligent student, I have always believed that the hard work and perseverance would pave way for success. This mindset has been my guiding principle, especially when I took part in various contests throughout my years in school. From local to regional to national competitions, I've had the honor of competing and even winning in events that tested my skills, knowledge, and creativity. And I always believe that if the heart is willing, it will find 1,000 ways. But while I took the stage as a contestant, I never stood alone. I owe much of my success to the unwavering support of my teachers and my parents. My teachers who encouraged me to push beyond my limits and believe in my potential even when I doubted myself, have been my mentors in more ways than one. Sa temang Henerasyon ng Pagkakaisa, Kaagapay ng Bagong Pilipinas, nais kong iparating sa ating lahat na tayo bilang mga kabataan ay may malaking papel na ginagampanan sa pagbuo ng isang mas makulay at mas matatag na bansa. Ang ating mga kamay, ating mga isip, at ang ating mga puso ay magsisilbing sandigan ng mas maganda at mas makatarungang lipunan. Hindi tayo magtatagumpay kung tayo ay mag-aaway. Ngunit, kung tayo ay magtutulungan, magkakaroon tayo ng lakas upang malampasan ang anumang hamon na darating. Sa pamamagitan ng pagkakaisa, magkakaroon tayo ng kapangyarihan upang baguhin natin ang ating paligid at itaguyod ang isang mas makatarungan at maunlad na Pilipinas. The future of our country depends on us, and we can make a difference if we stay united. Let's always remember that we come together, we are stronger and can accomplish so much more. As we step into the future, we carry with us not only the knowledge we've gained, but the lessons of teamwork, perseverance, and respect. We are the hope of our country, and it's up to us to keep working, striving, and dreaming together. Before I end, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all my class advisors. Teacher Rose A. Brillantes, my first formal teacher in kindergarten, Teacher Jubilin E. Reyes, Teacher Merly J. Tabiliran, my courageous teacher during COVID-19 pandemic, Teacher Arencia A. Cabig, one of my coach in Psych Quiz contest, Teacher Elvira P. Wong, who crowned me as Queen of Hearts 2023, Teacher Lorna B. Patulot, who supported my leadership in the Supreme Elementary Learner Government, Teacher Teresa V. Alabata, who helps and understands my strengths and my weaknesses and makes the classroom a friendlier place. Thank you also to all my subject teachers and to all the teachers of this learning institution. I'll be missing you all. Your support and encouragement have helped me overcome challenges. You've instilled in me a love for learning that will last a lifetime. Special thanks to teacher Jeneline C. Ruiz for molding me into a young journalist. Thus, I became a division champion and eventually became a top 7 copy editing and headline writing during the Regional Schools Press Conference 2025. And also to teacher Jubilin E. Reyes, who opened my skills in academic contests and in math and science. Thus, I became a national champion in Psych Quiz way back 2020 in Baguio City. Maraming salamat po, Teacher Jub. To our beloved parents, this graduation is dedicated to you. This day in our life was only possible due to your love and hard work. Thank you for your never-ending support to where we are today. To my dear friends and classmates, thank you for making memories we've created together and that we will all cherish. The laughter and the noise that brings joy to the class. Thank you for being part of my journey. To my alma mater, Shocon Central School, I am forever grateful for all the memories and played a crucial role of shaping me into what I am today. And of course, to my loving parents, my biggest cheerleaders have always been there to lift me up, no matter how tough things got. Your support was not just in words, but in action. From sleepless nights helping me prepare for contests, to offering advice when I faced setbacks. Your encouragement has been a constant source of strength for me. To you, Dad and Mom, I love you and I hope I make you proud. Maraming salamat